Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me present to you a popcorn maker from Royal Catering. So if you need a lot of popcorn to be made, well, that's the machine for you. Let me show you how it works and what it does. Alright, first let's open the door. This will give you access to the heart of the machine, which is the stainless steel pot. You also get this nice drawer, which grants you more access to your popcorn. But first, the lid on top is magnetized, so you can lift it up and it will stay on the top. And the pot itself is Teflon coated, so nothing will get stuck to it. There's also the steering mechanism that is constantly steering when the pot is working. This prevents the popcorn from burning, and of course it makes sure that all the kernels are popped at the end. So you get the maximum out of one portion. By the way, in the set there's also this shovel and the measuring jug, so you always know exactly how much oil and ingredients to put in. Specific information you will find in the instruction manual. I can just tell you it's 50 grams of oil. Let me just pour it in straight away. There you go. And 150 grams of corn kernels. Let me just drop it in. And you can make your popcorn either salty or sweet. Well, there's a lot of possibilities. I like my popcorn salty, and I always put a little bit of salt always into the pot, so when the popcorns pop, it will be straight immediately coated with this salt. Alright, let's close the door, close the lid, just like that, and turn the machine on. First switch turns the power on and turns the light on, so you know exactly what's going on inside. The second switch turns the heat on, so the pot starts heating immediately, and once you turn this on, always remember to put the turner on. So now it is turning, heating, and I have approximately 2 minutes to talk about the machine before it starts to pop. So the machine itself, it's made of steel, aluminium and tempered glass, which is not easily broken, so don't you worry about it. The machine works with 1600 watts, so it's quite efficient. You can actually make up to 5 kilograms of corn in an hour. That makes 16 liters, which is quite efficient. Alright, moving down to the bottom. There's this special tray, so the bottom is perforated and the holes are just big enough to let the uncooked corn fall inside, so you won't serving your guests any uncooked corn. Alright, so let's just see what happens. Okay, so now here the popcorn starts to pop. Now, so just wait, see how it's cooking? It's a rocket. And please note, there's no timer, so you just have to listen what's happening. Once you hear no pops, it means all the popcorn has popped and it's ready. So literally a few more seconds and I'll show you another really nice feature. So can you hear it? No more pops once in a while. So let's turn the turner on, the heat on, open the door, leave the light on so you know what's going on inside. And now look at this. There's a special lever. So by lifting it down, you can open the pot and it should jump in like that. Alright, so let me just mix it through to get rid of all the uncooked popcorn, and let me put it in one of these nice boxes for you. I like my popcorn salty and slightly spicy, so I already prepared some chili in it, but to be honest with you, possibilities are nearly endless. Always make sure you put your seasoning while it's still warm and shake it up a little so it's nicely coated, just like that. Well, you can find a lot of recipes on the internet. You can put some white chocolate on it. You can make it Mexican with some cheese and coriander and chilies. Like literally the only limitation is your imagination. So let's just quickly summarize what we know about this machine. This nice vintage look to it, alright, American style. There's steel, aluminium and tempered glass, stainless steel pot with Teflon coating, drawer that gives you access to your popcorn, and special drawer for your uncooked kernels. 1600 watts make it a really efficient machine. But there's one more trick I want to tell you, how to make this machine to stand out even more. Lights out! Alright, look at this. See that? Doesn't that look cool? If you go on a website, you may find one of these. It's an RGB LED light. And this is not only blue. You can make it in different colors: red, green, blue, white. You can make it flash, set different modes for it, and it will change colors as well. You can change intensity of the light as well. You can make it brighter or slightly dimmer. Or you can turn it off. Alright, lights on. It will come with a remote like this, so you can steer it from a distance and just make sure the light fits to your surroundings. A great addition if you ask me. This will definitely make the machine stand out even more. So this machine is perfect for cinemas, where you would see it most often, on open air festivals, and any place where you have lots of people hungry for a quick snack. My opinion, kids love it. If you order this one, it will come with a 3-year warranty, and it will come also in a huge box like this, with lots of packaging material in it, lots of styrofoam for a really tight fit, so it will stay safe during transport. Okay, so if you found this informative, remember, I'm your hands-on expert, so just let me know in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. So, thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time.